to change your mobile number in CIMB Bank Malaysia using an ATM. Visit any CIMB Bank ATM in Malaysia. Insert your CIMB Bank ATM or debit card into the machine. Choose ATM. Please wait. Your card is being verified. Select your language. Enter your PIN to access the menu. Once logged in, look for an option like Others. Tab on it. Select CIMB Clicks. Now enter your new mobile number. Make sure your new mobile number is correct, then tab on Proceed. After that, select Yes. You will receive the slip with the registration is completed. You should receive an SMS confirmation on your new number like this, indicating that the change has been successful. If there is something you don't understand, please write the comment below. Thank you.